Hello everyone, right now I am create for Fiverr detail space. See this, already I am create for detail space. It's very amazing, and you can for fact add, don't worry. So go to backend panel, this one for all manage post, and for edit, for this one for basic package information, and for all information you can all tick and untick, you can not tick, and gray button show. See this one for gray button show, you can not tick, and just an example 5, 10, and also for 20 example, just understand, you can easily understand. And for 5 you can price select, any price select, example 20. And also for description show, this one unnecessary information, okay, description show. And also for image thumbnail image show, and for fact add, you can fact any fact add, just create for fact. Okay, just create. And so I'm already two fact create, you can easily or lots more add fact create, don't worry. And also you can SEO, you can SEO title and information, you can easily add. So your this one thumbnail SKU example limited edition, you can easily limited edition add. And also for title and subtitle and child title, and also URL you can change for any URL change easily. So this one description, any all information, just submit. So already update, go to reload. See this one for already $20 add, and for unlimited second one for 10, 5. Okay, easily change, you can anytime easily change. And for description already show, and for related, this one for related post, and this one for full package for price, you can just select and purchase. So 5 all information, you can just already I am select for 5, 10 and unlimited, and go to backend, you can just for 1 4 7 6 10 20 50, just change and go to back fountain. See, already change is update, you can easily change every time. So this one for fact, I am add for 2 fact, and also for related keyword. So I hope like my video, you can need this file. So go to description below, link is description below, go to purchase and Hotlancer, go to Hotlancer and purchase. I hope you enjoy my video. I am already for all page create. See this, I am already design, all design is create already. See this data design and data fact. I'm 100% already detail space is already properly okay right now. So if you interest purchase, go to Hotlancer and purchase. I'll for installing helping support, don't worry. This one already ready, fully ready.